What's up, everybody? My name is Matt McCoy. I'm one of the founders of loopcommunity.com. I'm a singer-songwriter from Chicago, Illinois, and I've been leading worship for over 15 years. I'm also an Ableton certified trainer and have been using loops, multi-tracks, and click tracks in live performance for over 10 years. So this is a subject that I'm really passionate about: how to use technology, how to use loops, multi-tracks, and live performance. So the reason I'm making this video today is because I want to introduce you to a product that we've been working on for a very long time, and we're really excited about it. But we need your help to make it happen. Introducing Looptimus, the best USB MIDI foot controller for your live performance. Looptimus is a 9-button, USB-powered MIDI foot controller featuring 20 banks with 6 patches per bank. Also included is a designated stop button, next, and previous buttons. It also has 16 optional MIDI channels and a universal access bank. If you don't want to power it from your device, you can plug in an optional 9-volt power supply. It also includes an expression pedal jack that works with your favorite expression pedal. Looptimus is plug and play. No complicated programming, no outrageous cabling, no extra hardware needed. Use Looptimus easily with any MIDI-capable software like Ableton Live, Mainstage, Reason, or GarageBand. Looptimus also works seamlessly with our free iPad app, Prime. Just plug it in, and it works immediately. Whether you're a singer-songwriter in coffee shops, whether you're playing for 20,000 people in a stadium, whether you're on stage at church leading worship, we believe that this is the best MIDI foot controller for your live performance. I'm holding one of the very first Looptimus prototypes. We've worked really hard on this pedal. The final product will be in a black powder-coated aluminum case. So it's gonna be thin, it's gonna be lightweight for your backpack, and it's gonna be really sturdy. We also put in really sturdy, heavy-duty switches that will last a lifetime. But you can see how thin this is. So great for a pedal board. Now, there's 9 buttons on the controller. You've got an LED screen that will show you which bank you're in. These buttons over here are your next and previous buttons, so you can get to any bank at any time. Each bank has A, B, C, D, E, and F. We also included a designated stop button in the top right corner that you can use to stop your tracks if you need to. Also, if you want to go to an all-access bank, which is a bank that you can get to from any time, you can just hold down this button. Or if you need to change your MIDI channels, there's 16 MIDI channels in this. Just hold down this button. It's USB powered, which is awesome. So all you need is a USB cable, plug it into the back, plug it into your computer, and it'll power right up. But if you don't want to drain your battery on your computer, you can also plug in an optional 9-volt power supply. On the back too, there's an expression jack for an expression pedal. So what are some ways that you can use this pedal? Well, there's 20 banks, so what you could do is on one bank, you could put your whole set list. Song 1, Song 2, Song 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. Or, if you want more control, you could put a song on each bank. For example, on bank 1, I could have song 1, and then I have verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, outro, stop. And then I could go to bank 2, and that's my song 2, and I've got verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, stop. Some of you may know that a few weeks ago, we launched Loop Community Prime, our free app for running loops and multi-tracks in a live performance. Any of the tracks that you download on Loop Community are accessible to you in the app. But here's what's really cool. Looptimus works with the app. All you do is plug in the controller using a USB cable and the Apple Camera Connector Kit, plug it into your device, and you'll see Looptimus power up. Now, without any programming at all, you can use Looptimus to control your tracks in the app. Easy, simple. Now get it? Looptimus Prime. We've worked really hard at Loop Community to develop the best and easiest USB MIDI foot controller for your live performance. But we're not there yet. We need your help. In 60 days, we need to raise $50,000. Now that may sound like a lot, but we're confident that this controller is going to do everything that you need to do. So what we need you to do is on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, you're going to see a bunch of different options of how you can help us out and pledge money to help us make this product come to life. Our manufacturers and suppliers are already ready to pull the trigger, but we can't do it until we get the funds. So if you could help us get the word out, spread the word to anybody that you think that would be interested in a device like this, we can use all the help we can get. We're confident we can get this done. You could be one of the first people to have the Looptimus pedal on your pedal board. So thanks for your help. We're so glad you're part of the community. See you on the other side.